Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's my baby's birthday! Hello there. So it's been so much going on today and last night. We didn't get a chance to vlog. So today we are going to Volcano Bay. I don't have a mask on properly. And since our resort, we are on the resort, we can actually walk to Volcano Bay. So me and my man, my lovely husband, we got our Starbucks. And it is beautiful, y'all. Like, it is just so beautiful. We went and got pizza last night. And we got dinner. We did a pizza to go late last night. But like, this resort is so beautiful. Like, I don't know how I'm going to be able to vlog every single thing because we are enjoying ourselves. And I told myself we're going to really enjoy ourselves. I definitely want to give a good review of this Cabana Bay resort. I definitely recommend it if you have families, small children. There are kids everywhere, but they give you a new band bracelet every day, different colors, so that they know who is actually here, specific day. And I do appreciate, they do the temperature checks. Hand sanitizer stations are everywhere. When they give you your towels and washcloths and all your things, tissue, everything, they put it in a big plastic bag and give it to you, which is very good for social distancing and things like that. I did find out that, you should bring your own towels when you come to Volcano Bay. So we're taking the towels from the hotel. And because if you get the towels there in Volcano Bay Waterpark, you're going to pay $4. And we're not paying $4 for that. So yeah, so we bought the 3-day pass so that we can go to all 3 resorts. All the theme parks. All the theme parks. Sorry. Thank you, babe. We're excited. I'll cover things that I probably missed, but yeah, we're excited. All right. excited, Raya? All right, so we just checked in here at Volcano Bay. We each get our bracelet. Oh my goodness.
Wow!
Wow.
Yeah!
Like it's my birthday. I'ma hit the club like it's my I'ma hit the club like it's my birthday. Doing what I want like it's my birthday. I do what I want, no one can stop me, yeah. Gonna hit the floor like no one's watching. I wanna go all night. I just wanna feel this vibe. Just wanna feel this vibe. I'ma hit the club like it's my birthday.
Say cheese. Come find me. We're going in. We're going in. We out of breath, honey. We out of breath. So we just rode this. Yo, it was so many steps we had to climb. It was so fun. What do you think, babe?
Yeah,
It was fun. It was wicked.
wicked.
Wicked. That was so fun. Oh my gosh. And the whole time I was backwards. Did my eyelash come off? I was backwards the whole time. That was fun. That was the, what is it called? The Hanu Ika Moana slide. You just see him coming down here. Oh wow.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. We're gonna try to make some silly face. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You didn't do it. All right, make it recorded. I'm recording. You ready? It's recorded. Ready, Ryan? 2, 3, ready?
Look at my lip. Is it good?